survivors of a horrific attack. 2 weeks ago, Boko Haram fighters attacked their town, rounding up all the young men they could find before executing them in the streets. One survivor said he had to step over dead bodies until he reached the next village 5 kilometers away. While initial reports from the area said hundreds of people had been killed, the Nigerian army on Monday gave a lower figure.
From all available evidence, the number of people who lost their life during that attack has so far not exceeded about 150.
Jonathan Goodluck's government has been criticized for its failure to effectively tackle the Boko Haram insurgency.
The military has not given up on Baga or any part of the country. We want to reassure Nigerians that no portion of Nigeria's territory has been or will be considered to terrorists.
Meanwhile, several new attacks were claimed by Boko Haram over the weekend. On Sunday, 2 female suicide bombers blew themselves up at a mobile phone market in the city of Potiskum, killing at least 3 people. A day earlier, a similar attack was carried out in a market in Maiduguri, the regional capital. At least 16 people were killed by a bomb carried by a young girl. Witnesses say she appeared to be around 10 years old.